Hi everybody, it's me, Sarah B. I am here to open up another box from StitchFix. I think, guys, I'm so bad at this. I really need to take the minute to look before I get started to see what number it is. I've been really enjoying my StitchFix boxes, and I have to say I've been really bad about telling my stylist what I'm in particularly looking for. But they're still sending me amazing things. So I'm really, really curious to see what they sent me with absolutely no guidance or help from me whatsoever. Sorry, stylists. Oh my gosh. Okay. So Stitch Fix sends you 5 pieces. You have 3 days to try them on, see what works in your closet or not, and send them back. I didn't have time to do that in my 3-day window, so I just contacted them and extended it, which was awesome and super easy to do. My bag to send things back, my invoice and styling suggestions, my box. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, I'm pulling it out first because it's a bag. It's a really great bag. Urban Expressions Roby Classic Work Tote in Cognac. Certified vegan, even better. Oh my gosh, and it's super cute inside. So it has decent straps for carrying, and the inside is all stripy. That's really cool. And it comes with its own like little extra tote. Excellent. And zippery box. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. I'm a sucker for bags, which is why I tell them never to send me bags, because it will be a problem. So we're off to a great start. All right, here is my bundle. So, oh, there we go. Let's see what they sent. Black jeans. I don't know about black jeans, you guys. But I will try them on and we will see. They're from Liverpool, Los Angeles. The perfect black. Colleen straight leg jean. I don't have black jeans. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe I should be getting black jeans today. They're really stretchy, actually. They're really nice. They've sent me Liverpool stuff before, but I don't think I've ever actually purchased Liverpool things. I don't think I like the fit as well as I like the cut from the cloth brand, which they also send me. But that's okay. I'll try them on. I'm game. Oh, this is super cute. What a pretty blouse. And like, look at the detail on the sleeves. And it's like 45, it's unseasonably warm here in the eastern part of Pennsylvania where I am. And so it makes me think about spring. This is from Paper Moon. Certain crochet sleeve blouse, maybe, in dark purple. Paper Moon clothing. I think it's really cute, and I can always use work tops. I always feel like I never have enough work tops. I have plenty of bottoms, just not enough work tops. Or I just get really bored rotating the same ones in and out. Oh, it's a cardigan. It's super cushy soft. It is Cotton Emporium Valerie Texture 2-pocket cardigan. I love me some pockets in a cardigan. And again, like super soft and a really nice oatmeal color that would go like beautifully with that. And that. Not that I'm already counting chickens before I've tried them on, but. And the last piece is from Pink Clover. All right. Again, the Pink Clover stuff is always like super soft and comfy. I don't know if I love this one. It's a little casual for work, but a little bit too nice for like my bumming around clothes. But it's really soft and lovely. Maybe trying it on will make all the difference. All right, I'm going to get to trying on. I will be right back. The pants are great. They fit really nicely. They've got a lot of stretch in them. I don't have black jeans. Maybe it's time I have black jeans. I love the cardigan, but I am just as much a sucker for cardigans as I am for bags. So, no, super comfy, really nice, and I'm one of those women that's always cold. So, always looking for another cardigan. The shirt, I'm a teensy bit disappointed by, just because it's not quite big enough around the hips. But I don't know if that's a deal breaker for me, because it like hits my hips. It's just, I have a tendency to like always be pulling shirts like way far down, and they don't necessarily need to be. I just like to, but I really like the color, and I don't have much of this color in my wardrobe, and it's like spring and Easter and happy and crocuses and matches my nail polish kind of. So I'm feeling really compelled to keep it, even though it doesn't fit perfectly just because I like it so much. But maybe that's a silly thing to do. I don't know. Okay, one more top to try on. And this top is fine. It's, like I said, it's just like, doesn't really catch me. It's a little too casual for work. It's not, but it's like too nice of a piece of clothing to wear for like my bumming around town days. So I'm not really sure what to do with it. I guess it depends on the price too. And as I found in past, sometimes when you do the buy all discount, it just pays to keep things that you wouldn't otherwise keep. And we'll go from there. All right, let's time to see how much everything costs and what I can keep. And now let's see what my stylist said. Heather S. Hey there, Sarah. Happy Fix Day and welcome to your 16th fix. I hope this delivery finds you well, and thanks for scheduling another fix with us. Hopefully this one all hits the mark. Thank you for the awesome feedback you provided on each items in your last fix. I try, Heather. I try. I took notes on a few wins in terms of style and incorporated those into this shipment. Please keep me updated on your thoughts as you try out everything. The black Liverpool straight leg jean is a good place to start. Wear the dark purple paper moon crochet sleeve blouse and tan cotton Emporium cardigan with the black jeans for a complete look. I'm down. The blouse is a similar style to the blue top from the last fix. Let me know if it fits the same too. Enjoy, Heather. I don't remember the blue top from the last fix. That's a problem. Buying too many clothes and not paying attention. So Meredith was my stylist for a really long time, and now it's Heather. And Heather is lovely. And everything is good. I really have noticed that StitchFix in particular pays attention to what you say and responds directly to it. So well done them. Excellent customer service. Now here's the sticker shock. Oh my gosh. The bag that I love, that is vegan in cognac, is only $54. I love this bag. And it has feet and everything. And it's going to be like perfect for me for work. So that is already a win. Yes. Okay. The Paper Moon crocheted sleeve top, which I love the color and I love the style. I just wish it fit a little better around the hips. It's $38. I need to think on this, whether it's worth keeping. If I could like alter it. I'm sure that they don't have a larger size for me to size up to, but I love it so much. I want to see what I can keep it. The Raglan Rachel Lynn Raglan knit top from Pink Clover is also $38. I don't love it, so I'm going to send this one back. $38 for Pink Clover is about right, but it's like more than I would. I've said this twice already. Here we go, a third time. More than I would spend for something to like bum around. Not nice. Not something I would wear to work. Not something I would wear around town and feel good about. Like my kids messing up, with their sticky, icky fingers. The Liverpool Colleen straight leg jean in black, $78, which is about right for a good pair of jeans. I I don't have black jeans, so I think this would be like a good addition. And I'm a musician as well as being an educator, and so I can always use more black. And the Cotton Emporium textured tan sweater is $44, which I feel like it's about right for a sweater. Probably a little more than I would otherwise spend, but I love it. And it's super soft and cozy, and they hit me right in the feels, so I'm keeping it. So here's the thing. Oh my gosh. The only thing in this fix that I don't love is the shirt. But if I buy everything, added up, everything is $252. The buy all discount will save me $63. So this is free plus, right? So it's $189 with everything. So I think that's kind of a no-brainer. Buy everything and then look to resell this. I am mostly in the dark ages when it comes to a lot of things, apparently, and didn't even think to look into it, but I am being made aware of like Facebook groups that resell brand new things from StitchFix that are exactly the situation. You love everything but one or two items, and it pays to get the discount to just buy everything and then resell what you don't want. So you might find this on sale there. There we go. Guys, this was awesome. I'm really excited. And I'm going to immediately switch all of my things into this new work bag and take it for a ride around the block. I love new bags. It's kind of a problem. Shh, don't tell my husband I just bought one. Yay! Thank you as always for joining me. Guys, I have 100 subscribers now. What? This started off as a total goof. Encouraged by my dear friend Lauren, and now it's like kind of turning into something, and it's like really fun, and I'm so always delighted to see your likes and your subscriptions and your comments. They always make my day. And as a mostly stay-at-home mom with two kids who gets out of the house to work a little bit, and has been having some hard days, what with the potty training of the 2-year-old, you always make my day and make it a little brighter. So thank you so much for that. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I have to get my act together on it, but I'm going to be doing a giveaway to celebrate the 100th subscriber. So yay. So keep your eyes peeled for that. As always, be well, take care of yourselves, and until next time, bye.